Okay, now we're going to listen to your temporal, carotid, and subclavian arteries. When we listen here, we don't want to hear any swishing. And there's not any present. Pull your little oxygen thing down. Okay, take a deep breath and hold it. Okay. Deep breath and hold it. Okay. Release. Okay. And there's no bruise present. Okay. That's it.